Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to edit your Facebook page name. Now, in order to edit your Facebook page name, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to edit your page name. And at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see there is the three line icons with our small profile picture. Tap on that three line icon, and over here, guys, you can see there is a tab where your account name will be available, and there are small circles over here that says you can switch with another pages, and beside that there is a drop down arrow. Tap on it, and over here all of the pages you handle will be available. Tap on the page which you want to edit the name, and after that, guys, after landing on this page, at the top right corner of the screen there is the three line icon. Tap on over there. Tap on the settings icon again just below or beside the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here, guys, you can see the page settings for your page, so tap on the page settings, and over here you can see the name. Tap on name, and over here, guys, tap on, you can see there is the name available in a box which is your page name. Tap over there and you will be able to edit your page name as you like, but I'll be just keeping it on. And after that, you will be required to tap on the review change button available over here, and on the next step you will be able to save the changes to your page name. And there, guys, this is how you edit your page name on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.